Magic Treasures Gold. Oh my God. Brand new IGT game. Look at the old money balls. Now they got 1, 2, 3. We can pop all 3 of them at the same time. We played it one time before, didn't have a lot of luck, but today it's gonna change. Kidvika, what do you think about this bad boy?
I like it. Let's try to win on it.
Yeah, so whenever we fill these up, in the middle they can have a dragon that comes out and fills the rest of them up. We want to do that. We can also get the jackpot bonus and the cash spins. We've never gotten this one. Let's get it today. Let's go. All right, guys. Magic Treasures Gold, the Empress Edition. $10 spins. We're on the $1 denom. Vika, you got a hot hand today?
I think so.
All right, let's go.
That burger was scorching.
So you got a greasy hand?
No, I wiped my hand with a napkin.
I see. All right, so guys, we're here lunchtime. We're looking to fill up that green one, the purple one, or the gold one with money balls. And if we get any money balls from the left to the right, and we get money balls on the first, second, and third reel, we get those reels. Or we get those dollar figures. Yes, the minis, 80 bucks. All right, your hot hand is still alive, Kidvika.
Thank God. So what's the cash spins? Is that the same as free games on money balls?
I don't know, we've never hit it. I want to hit it just to see what it does. Jackpot bonus, go ahead.
Come
Cash
on.
spins. I would figure it's free spins, but I don't know.
Oh.
Could have used those.
But it has to be on the first line.
2 money
First
balls.
3. Those are the purple money balls. Cash spins. Ah, darn it.
Money balls, come on.
Yes, all right, we got the money balls in the green. Now we can pop the purple in here. Oh, here it comes, come on, pop that sucker. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Nope, gonna get more of them coming out of there though. All small money balls. All right, last one's gonna be the dragon. Come on, pop that sucker, pop it. One more coming out. Come on, 13 more, do it. No, no luck. All right, small money balls, $78. Now we're back to 5 on the money ball on the bottom. Obviously, she is the biggest symbol on there.
She looks very happy. Huge smile on her face.
Huge smile. She's glad you're touching her buttons. All right, it's lunchtime free play. We're hanging out like we do every Monday. Kidvika and the Mayor. We're gonna play 3 different machines today, see if we can turn some free play into some cold hard cash. Money balls, let's go.
Come on, times 2.
Oh, times 2, damn it.
Dang.
Remember the minis, 80 bucks, minors 2, oh man.
Needed 1 right there.
1 in the second reel would have been great.
How was your burger patty today, Mr. Mayor?
It was juicy, it was good, there was plenty of ketchup, it was amazing. Look at that, there you go. Oh.
That's pretty good.
All right, 32 bucks. Need some help here, we're almost out of free play, then we're gonna be on real cash money.
Cold, hard cash.
All right, 1 more and we're done with free play. All right, so we've made $400 out of the $500 of free play. We're gonna put $200 more of our own cash into it. Then we're gonna play the next jackpot bonus. Come on, do it. Nope.
I think someone spit on this machine.
Do it, cash spins 1 time.
Come on.
Darn it.
Why?
There's a drip coming from jackpot bonus. You see?
Oh, it might have been the hot Tua girl. We're gonna play this down to 200 bucks, then we're gonna move to the next machine. Hopefully we hit a bonus before then. Come on, hit something for us. Don't stop. I don't have a good feeling.
We got 5 more spins.
Come on, cash
Come on,
spins
do it
one
now.
time.
Do it.
Come on, 2 of them for God's sake. Last chance,
one.
last chance. What are you gonna do? All right, next machine, let's go. All right, guys, we moved it over to Money Gong. Right now we've got almost all of the fuses lit on the Money Gong firecrackers. We're doing $8 spins. Let's see what we get on this sucker. This is another IGT game. What we're looking for here, we've never gotten the free games ever.
Not yet.
So we're hoping that the free games hit today. I think we get 6 of the green ones.
Yes.
We got it right there. Hot Hand Vika coming through. Now, in this bonus, that little bad boy up there can do some extra little features. We're looking for the Money Gong bonus ball. Let's go. Let's hit it one time.
Let's hit it.
You can see it going by there a couple times. Money Gong bonus. Anything with words. Anything? Yes. That resets it at 3 spins.
Come on.
Another $8. Come on, let's go. All
Another 8.
small numbers. Give us that Money Gone bonus one time. We got it the first time we ever played it.
Come on.
There we go. It's spinning up there. Repeat pays. 28 bucks, that's nice. Keep it going, another 28. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's done right there. That's all right, took that one up to 94 bucks.
Come on.
Yes, there we go. 3 fresh spins, we're going again. Repeat pays.
Another repeater.
Oh, what's it gonna be? 25, nice. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh man, 78, that's nice though.
Still making money.
Come on, Money Gong.
Money Gong, here we go.
Last chance right here,
Save it.
last year. Ah, it's a good bonus. All right, 240 bucks. What, like 5th spin? Something like that?
It didn't take very long.
Didn't take very long.
Watch the firecrackers.
Watch for firecrackers. We are watching for firecrackers. We hope they hit. Along with the free games for once in our life.
I know, I really want to see the free games.
We were talking before we started the recording. Kidvika and I don't even know if the free games really exist.
I think the most of the symbols that we've seen is 2. We played this game how many times now?
I think it's our 3rd or 4th time. It's a great game, no doubt about
Oh,
it.
I love this game.
The guy keeps saying, watch for firecrackers. We're watching, bro. Lots of lanterns, $36. It's a great game. I mean, there's pretty good line pays. We've hit the bonus multiple times on this thing.
I feel like the bonus, it comes pretty quick once you sit down.
Yeah.
At least that's been our case.
Watch for firecrackers, he says.
Come on. So when we got the Money Gong bonus the first time, it only gave us 5 of those balls.
Right. The 12 free games is completely filled up. I would figure if you get, oh, come on, hit it now.
Dang.
If you get 3 of the free games, I figure you get free games. One more, oh.
That's how most games are. It's probably the same. Come on, pop it with that.
All right, firecrackers are completely filled up except for the last one,
The big one.
the big dog.
Oh.
Collect firecrackers. Collect firecrackers.
I'm trying to collect firecrackers, guy.
Yeah,
Come
this
on.
guy's very bossy. There you go.
18 bucks for those.
What do you call those, food dogs?
I think they're food dogs.
Firecrackers.
Come on, little buddy.
I can't really tell if it's a dog or a dragon, though.
It's, again, it was one of those orgy things where it was a dog and a dragon hanging out. They got lonely. Things happen. You know what I mean.
Collect firecrackers.
There you go.
They said, you know what? This would be really good for a top symbol on a slot machine.
Exactly. Because you do see them everywhere.
Come on.
No free games.
Collect firecrackers.
Collect firecrackers.
All right, we only got about 3
Come
spins
on.
left until we get it right here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah,
Ugh. Come on.
all right, last spin coming up right here unless we hit something. Free games? Free games.
Come on.
No free games. All right, here, let's do a rundown of where we're at right now. Right now, we've put in $1,000 in free play. Between free play and credit, we've got over $1,000. So we've got another $500 we can spend on the next machine. Let's see what we can do.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, we found this. This is Voodoo Jackpots. We played this on live streams before. We haven't done anything on long videos, so we're gonna try it right now. Found it sitting pretty with 17 free games over here, 6 on this side. We're doing $6.60 spins. Let's do it.
Let's hit it. Oh, come on.
Land it, land it, land it.
Right off
Yes!
the bat.
All right, we need to land the little voodoo guy in the middle right there is what we need to do. He'll throw little voodoo pins up into the free games, and he also becomes wild. We've had good luck on this before in live streams.
Come on.
Now also this little voodoo guy up here at the top, he can go haywire at any time and make the voodoo guy show up. Free games, we got it guys, free games. We got the 6 free games. Now we can also trigger the other free games in this bonus. Let's see what happens. I believe he stays there the whole time.
I think in the bonus he does.
Yeah. But we need other things to happen here right now. We only have 6 free games. Hello? Hello?
17? Come on.
All right, we got a mini. Mini's 25 bucks. 18 free games now over there. 3 more chances. Come on, little buddy. You can do it. Only got 2 more chances. Come on, land him, land him, land him. Let's go.
Oh yeah, come on. Come on.
All right, last spin right here. We're at 72.50. Come on, come on. One time, one time, one time.
Pop it.
Yes, we got the free
6
games again.
Six
All right,
more.
6 more free games. We're at 75.50 right now. That's nothing.
Get the 18.
Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Do it. Big, 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 big. Got a mini and a mini, 2 minis. 19 free games now over here. Pretty good one, 180 bucks. Come on, pop that other free game.
If we get that other free games, this can be massive.
Yeah. He's trying to pop it. One more chance, it's the last one right here. What's he gonna do?
Come on.
Okay, we got him again, we got him again. Good, how about a
Something
major?
good.
Mini
Another
again.
mini.
Okay, pop it one more time. No, that's gonna be it. Still, $268.50 on the bonus.
Nice.
All right. Big win, it's a big win. Look at this guy, he's going crazy up here. He's doing a little dance, he's a nutcase.
He's crip walking. He's from the hood. Come on.
Oh, pop it, pop that wheel.
Pop it.
Oh, you
I feel
jerk.
like we haven't gotten a wheel on this thing in a long time.
Yeah, the first time we played it, we got it like 5 times in a row.
Yeah. I grew to 7.
All right, check it out, guys. Right now, we're at 19 free games of green, and the purple's at 7. There you go,
Come
pop
on,
it
come on,
right
come
now.
on,
Go, 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 go.
You jerk.
What an absolute jerk face.
Put your pin down. Tweaker stop.
Little quick spin. Kidvika. Sometimes he can't get enough tweaking.
Can't go one day without tweaking, man. I start getting the shakes. Come on.
Middle, middle. There you go.
$6.
Come on, pop those free games.
Come on.
Pop it right now. Wheel, wheel, wheel.
Ah.
Right now, do
Man.
it.
Put the pin down. I really want to get those 19 free games.
I know. Well, if you concentrate, you can do it, Kidvika.
Just gotta focus. A lot of burn books.
It's funny, we picked this machine because of the 17 free games it had, and it popped the 6. But it worked out okay.
Pop it.
Good Lord, let's go.
Oh,
Wheel,
come on,
wheel,
do it
wheel,
now.
wheel, wheel.
10 again. Come on, wheel. Pop it.
Ay, ay, ay.
Came at the bad time, Mr. Voodoo.
The voodoo that you do when you do the voodoo that you do.
Does this guy even have a name?
It's Voodoo Pete.
Voodoo Pete.
Hey, Peter.
Hey, Peter.
Hey, Peter.
Hey, Peter.
Hit it right now. Hit it right now. Hit it right now.
Dang it.
And that would have been a minor for 75 bucks. What a jerk. Oh, now here he comes. He's gonna get this one though for $6. Oh, now we're up to 20 free games over here.
That's the most I've ever seen it get to.
All right, one time, one time, one time. Oh, he's right
Come
there.
on.
Up, you. I can see your hat, jackhole.
Do it now. Dang it. All right, that's a lot of books.
Minor, 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 minor. All right, after this spin, we're on real money.
We are on real money now.
Free play is gone.
Come on.
All right, we're on 20 and 8. Land it right here. Land it right here.
Man, they do it one time.
It's funny when you get all those in there, it never lands.
I know. Come on. There we go. 26 on that one. Not bad. Come on.
19 bucks. Free games, free games, free games.
Come on.
Minor, do it one time.
Land it.
Oh, you just went by. Okay, how about now? Look at this. Look at it. Look at it.
Nope.
Lazy ass.
Lazy Pete.
Hey, Peter. Minor one time, minor one time, no.
We're due for a bonus.
We are so due for a bonus.
It's been enough. Enough spins. Come on.
It's funny it doesn't land when we have all those out there.
I know.
All right, we're gonna play it down to 800 bucks. We're gonna pick one more machine.
Sounds like a plan to me. This thing ain't paying nothing.
Gave us free games, what, 4 spins in? And it's been
Yeah.
garbage ever since. It draws you in with the 20 free games.
Come on. Let's hit it before the 800. Come on.
What a jerk.
Burn books. I don't think they go all the way.
16 bucks, $22 for the line pay.
A few more spins.
All right, how about now? Maybe, 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 maybe? No.
Figures.
Didn't really see that coming, did you?
Come on.
How about now?
Now?
Haha. Weird. Last spin. All right, let's go move on to something else. All right, guys, we found ourselves a mo money. We're doing $10 spins. Pop that, I dare you. $10 spins, dollar denom. Let's see if we can pop this bad boy.
Hopefully it's better than the voodoo.
Yeah, voodoo sucked.
What?
I had high expectations.
It was a fun game. It's fun when you win.
It really is. No matter what happens here, we're leaving with 500 bucks. Hopefully we can leave with a lot more. Let's see what Mummy has in mind for us.
Some Mo.
Yeah, how about some Mo Blue? All right, they're all grown up about as high as they can go. But as we all know, those don't mean anything.
If the mummy could just come out chasing his little wheel, that'd be awesome. I haven't gotten a bonus on this in a long time.
Got a sticky button over here.
They gotta lube
Lots
it
of
up or
blue,
something.
lots of blue. Come on, Jack.
Come on, pop it. No.
Come on, give it to us one time. Mo Rose. God, the first time I played this game was absolutely amazing. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I wonder what happened since the first time, between the first time and now.
Maybe they reset them so they don't pay anymore.
Come on.
Maxi, right now.
Oh, come on.
All right, they're all filled up. We're gonna play this thing out. I don't even care anymore. Either it's gonna hit something or we're gonna leave broke, but it was all free play, so who gives a crap, right, Kidvika?
Let's just try to turn this 500 that we have left into some real money.
I mean, the responsible thing to do was to leave with the $500.
FAFO.
What's that mean?
F around and find out.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Moros. Dang it. I wonder if they're ever going to do a buy bonus on this game.
That'd be great if they did.
It would probably be absurdly expensive. Oh, come on. Here we go.
One time, one
Come
time.
Land one. Land one. Nope.
I knew it wasn't. If the guy doesn't come out and march across there, nothing happens. All right, we got $300 left. Let's see if this little whack job can actually do something. Or if it's just gonna suck us dry. No, that's Dracula. This is a mummy.
Ha, ha, ha. What?
I tell you what, the bonuses on this thing are absolutely amazing. The rest of it, I mean, it's so frickin' boring. There's no line pays to speak of. We just need to hit the bonus, otherwise it's just not the most exciting game in the world.
That is very true. The bonus, on the other hand, though, is great when it comes.
I'd love to see it. I'd love to get the blue. Right now, no.
only given one opportunity for a bonus. Come on.
Wow.
Some O spins would be nice. Some O symbols would be nice.
You know, a line pay would be okay too.
Those do not exist on the 5 line.
All right, we got about 3 spins left. That's it. Unless you're gonna pop it right here. No, why would you? All right, last spin.
Come on.
Purple?
Pop it.
Mo mummy, mo problems. All I had to do was cash out the money. Would have had money in my pocket, but instead, Mayor got a little greedy, came over here and dumped it all. Not even a bonus, not anything. It was horrible. The only thing we got out of this was a free lunch. So, one of our first times coming in here, having some lunch, playing our free play and walking out with 0. Kidvika, what do you think?
I think we'll get them next time.
I hope so, because I'm gonna keep my eyes like this with my little fake binoculars until we come back in here next time. So I got a week to look just like this. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. We're out. Jackpot Slot Spot. Hope you guys had a great time. I'll be like this. If you see me walking around like this, make fun of me. So I just lost all the money. Well, it was free play, so it wasn't actual money. Wait a second, I did put $100 of my own cash in there, so we lost $100 in cash and $1,500 in free play. But we had a good time, right?
We had a great time.
And we had lunch.
Delicious burger.
But right now, we out. Thanks, you guys. Make sure to follow, share, like, subscribe. We love you. Mayor, out.